Welcome to our Friday! So in this video, we are going to be doing another challenge video in our backyard.
Welcome to our backyard.
Welcome to our backyard.
Yeah.
So this is called the Watermelon Explosion Challenge. Yeah, Mason.
Mason's super excited.
He's super excited.
Yeah. So we're gonna be using these rubber bands and this watermelon, and we're just gonna put the rubber bands on the watermelon until it explodes. Hopefully we have enough rubber bands. Let's go.
Yeah.
And it didn't do anything. 490 degrees.
Let's smash this watermelon.
Oh my god!
Whoa. So guys, as you can see, that was total and complete fail.
I'm disappointed.
Yeah.
You didn't fail though at smashing it. You did pretty good.
Yeah, that was a super explosion.
Yeah, it was.
Which is fun. Get your anger out.
Yeah. Did it?
Yep.
Nice.
I'm totally up.
Yeah. So, as always guys, we hope you enjoyed this one.
Don't forget to
Comment, rate, subscribe.
and all that fun stuff.
And we'll see you next Friday in another video.
Bye.